Hello, this is a landing page roast for Ian Jennings. He asked me in the community of indie makers to roast his landing page, or in this case his homepage. Um, so here we go. Uh, Ian is doing an app for developers, so they can share their screen and have like the debugging code in real life, so it makes easy for them to to collaborate and work together. So okay, I reviewed the website. It looks pretty good, um, but I have some things that I think you could improve if you are having traffic to the website and you want to convert more. I think they can improve a lot. So all of these tips I will give you, it could be cool. It could be cool if you can make like an A/B testing. Even if it's organic, you can use some apps or some software that lets you split the traffic. So here we go. First things, I will go first in some kind of technical stuff. Okay. Um, so the first impression that I get when I came to the website is that it took some time to load. So I make a quick test, and it has a D punctuation, a D score. I mean, so you could improve this a little bit, maybe because this test is run in Canada, but there are some things that you could improve. Okay. You can go to this website and do an analysis for yourself by yourself, and maybe you can improve the speed a little bit more. Maybe it's because of the gifs and the videos that you have in the page, but is if now you don't have any problem, you can keep it. But time speed is like the loading speed is so important for the for the conversions. Um, and the other thing I checked is that a little bit of SEO. What's the problem? The problem is that, well, here the title is good. You can put a little bit more in the description with some keyword. But the main problem is here in the headers. Okay, you put everything is H1, and on each page you just can have one H1. Okay, one header one. So that's a simple thing, but it will help you a lot in the midterm in order to make people in order to let people find you. So the only main title, the only H1 should be this. Okay, or if you want to put some special keyword but you don't want the keyword to be in the header, you can add a small text here and put the H1 there, but just for for Google, in order to crawl your page and in order to understand your page. Then this would be an H2, and this another H2, or maybe you can put this H2 and this H3. Okay, as you want. But you need to structure all these titles, because it lets you Google understand better your page. What else? Okay, in terms of the design is pretty good. I like it a lot. I saw that you did it in frame, and I like it. I don't know if you if you used a template or something, but it looks so good. Just one thing. Make it bigger, because probably you are working in a big screen and you watch it really good, but there are some things like this text for me is a little bit small. This is small. For me it should be bigger, so people can check it easier, and maybe add some color here, like green checks, or you are purple color here in the checks, in the yeah, and this as well bigger. I would make these testimonials bigger, and the main parts of the sentence is like highlight them in somehow like bold the words, um bold the words, make them bold, or maybe you can highlight with some background or something like this, but I would make them bigger and maybe just put in horizontal. Yeah, and everything bigger. I don't know if you can just like open like both open the margin or something like this. Then in terms of copy structure and CTAs, for me the hero section, the value proposition is clear. The header and the subheadline, the headline and the subheadline are very clear. I like it a lot. Like, you made this video that when you start the video, it starts here like working as well, so it makes so easy to understand the application. But here in this kind of how to use or how it works, if you make all the content bigger, it will allow you to this image to make it more clear. So because here what I see is just a lot of text, I don't know what to focus on. I don't understand, like maybe I would understand that if I would be a developer, but I would make this image way bigger, try to use like some black overlay in the things that are not important or that you don't want, and highlight the parts that you want. Like this arrow that you put here, it's not so much visible. I would highlight each part, or make or maybe make a small GIF where you highlight like each part with putting the screen recording, then system information and everything, like, or black overlay in the rest, and just highlight this, then just highlight this or this, but make it bigger. It could be good even if you use the whole part of the section and put the text below or something like this, because this image is important, I think. As big as this, you could do this one. If not, try to make it clear. The rest is good. I love these GIFs, as they are so easy to understand. This we talked about. These two. And yeah, maybe in the pricing, it's not so important because you are not charging anything right now. But I saw, for example, the framer, because when I was checking your website, I saw that you're doing framer, and I saw their pricing page, and I thought that maybe it could be something similar for you, like these three, or maybe this style, this and this, if you want to highlight one, because I see like 3 color buttons. I don't know which one I should focus, which one is the one that he wants me to focus on. Maybe you don't want me to focus, no, but maybe you have some preference. So maybe if it's this, I would highlight this with the background color or something like this, but just play with one color, and you can do it, yeah, like framer. I think it's quite clear, no? And yeah, this one is good, the tools you use, and the FAQ section, I like it a lot. And the newsletter, maybe in the newsletter, I don't know if you are currently like active with it, but if you want to bring some people here. I would add, like some pop-up or something if you want people to join, and offer something from your tool. But that's all for now. Congrats on the tool. I think it's really useful, and it can be it's well explained, and the design of the website. So keep it going. Good luck.